One. Start over. Go.
I see sky.
Trees and trees. Start over. Ready, set, go. Go, pisi.
I see the green. Red roses too. For me.
I see them bloom.
I see them bloom. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
The colors of the rainbow.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky,
Are also
are also
on the faces.
on the faces of people going by.
I
see
see.
friends shaking hands, saying, "How do you do?" But they're really saying, "I love you."
And I think to myself.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Can I do part 7 now?
Yes, you can. Go.
By the bed, where the watermelon goes. I don't want to sing it. Back to my home.
Baby, it's stop. Go ahead.
There not go.
See? Baby, it's stop. Go, go, pisi, Maka. Down by the bay.
Down by the bed, big party.
Hurry.
By the bed,
Go ahead.
back to my home. I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, "Did you ever see a moose kissing a goose down by the bed?"
A moose kissing a goose?
Yeah, moose kissing a moose. No, a moose kissing a goose.
Anyway, down by the bay.
Back to my home. I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, "Did you ever see a fly? Where is the time? Down by the bay, down by the bay. Oh, the water runs go. Back to my home. I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, "Did you ever see a bear? Combing his hair down by the bay, down by the bay. The water runs go. Back to my home. I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, "Did you ever see a bear? By the bay, will the water runs go. Back to my home. I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, "Did you have a time where you could make down by the bay?"
Yay! Okay, are you done or you have another song?
No.
Are you done?
He doesn't remember the other songs. Yeah, we are
Where
the.
did you learn all those songs from?
We have this paper. We have this paper that we're gonna sing it.
Everybody in the school?
Yeah, everybody. They're gonna sing a performance. The third graders and the first graders, but not the second graders. But we're gonna sing it on April 12th. Not the third graders. Oh yeah, the third graders are gonna sing it another time.
So I'm saying you got another song or that's it?
Tomorrow's kite day.
Is today Wednesday?
Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday.
Are you done, pisi?
My.
Are you done, dude?
No, I didn't sing "We Are the Loveliest Flowers." We are the loveliest flowers. Look at all the flowers.
Lana should be here.
Remember that song?
Okay, I'm gonna cut now.
No, we are the loveliest
Okay, go.
flowers. Flower grows. No. Sun and the rain. Yeah, that's each of us. Oh yeah, each of us is a flower growing in life's garden. Each of us is a flower.
Is this a Beatles song?
Sun and the rain. Sun, shine your warmth on me.
No, it's not.
Wind, give me with your night. Earth, take my roots down deep. Oh, each of us is a flower growing in life's garden. Each of us is a flower. We need the sun and the rain.
Yay!
Sun and the rain. We need the sun and the rain. Cha cha cha.
Yay! Thank you.
No, screaming the rain. Good.
I know this song.
I love you. Give me
the afternoon.
I love you in the evening.
And in the afternoon.
So I love you in the morning. No, I love you in the evening. No, I love you
In the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Okay, go, pisi.
Oh, fix your face before I come over and fix it for you.
You miss it in the morning time.
Fix your face. Fix your face. Smile.
I love you, baby.
Okay, baby, it's pisi's turn. Okay.
I love you. I love you in the morning and in the evening. I forgot it.
Afternoon.
No, I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. No, I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. No, and I love you in the evening and in the afternoon. I love you in the
Pisi, you stop loving after the morning?
No, because I need the paper. So
Morning, afternoon, evening underneath the moon.